Have you ever wondered how the world manages to harvest a staggering 100 million tons of onions? With over 5,000 years of cultivation, the onion has seasoned countless dishes, adding its distinct aroma and flavor to salads and cuisines worldwide. But its role doesn't end there. This versatile vegetable also boasts a treasure trove of health benefits, packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that boost our immune systems and promote overall well-being. Welcome to the farm. As we explore the onion's legacy, we'll unveil the agricultural technologies that make the massive onion harvest possible today. This video is your all-access pass to the fascinating world of onion cultivation. Get ready to be amazed by the incredible journey of this humble vegetable, cherished by cultures and cuisines around the globe. So hit that notification bell and subscribe to our channel because you won't want to miss this tantalizing tale of agriculture and flavor. Let's dive into the onion-filled wonderland together. Onions are cultivated in over 175 countries, surpassing even the number of wheat-growing countries. Asia leads as the largest producer of onions, accounting for approximately 65% of the market share, while the Americas, Europe, and Africa each contribute just over 10% of the market share. This widespread cultivation and consumption highlight the onion's importance as a staple food item in various cuisines and economies around the world. Onions, widely used as a seasoning in various dishes in Europe and the Americas, are now cultivated and harvested with modern machinery for quick and efficient processes. Onion farms have embraced advanced machines and equipment like onion cutters, gatherers, and peelers to significantly reduce labor and production time compared to traditional manual harvesting methods. These innovations have streamlined the onion production process, ensuring a steady supply of this essential ingredient while optimizing efficiency and resources. To produce thousands of tons of onions efficiently, the growing process involves several essential steps. The first step is soil preparation, where the soil is well prepared with the right moisture and nutrients to support the growth of onion plants. Machinery such as plows, harvesters, and terrain saws are utilized to prepare the soil and reduce the dependence on manual labor. Next, onion planting machines come into play, helping with the precise planting of onions in the soil. These machines locate the position for planting, ensure proper distance between plants, and push the seeds to the appropriate depth and position. This significantly speeds up the onion planting process and improves efficiency. Once the onions are planted, they require careful care to achieve optimal results. Onion care machines play a crucial role in this stage. These machines are used for watering, spraying insecticides, fertilizing, irrigating, and applying weed killers. By using these machines, labor time and effort are reduced, while productivity and product quality are increased, resulting in a successful onion harvest. To successfully grow onions, a reliable water source is crucial, such as a deep well or being near a river. Planting in an area with sandy loam soil is advantageous as it allows for easy irrigation and drainage. However, the chosen location must not be prone to flooding or have stagnant water, making flatlands, rolling hills, or open areas ideal for cultivation. The planting season typically begins at the end of the rainy season, varying across different regions. Seedling management is essential when planting Super Pinoy and Amp Red Pinoy onions. By considering these factors, farmers can ensure a successful onion crop. The process of growing onions begins with seedbed preparation, where solarization, soil drying, and tilling are conducted. Flood irrigation, plowing, and harrowing create a flatbed suitable for healthy seedlings. Organic manure and inorganic fertilizers are applied for soil fertility. Seed sowing occurs during a dry period, followed by insecticide application for pest control. Rice straw protects the seedbed from heavy rain and maintains soil moisture for germination. Seedlings undergo hardening before transplanting. During growth, regular irrigation, pest, and weed control are implemented. Basal fertilization is done, and different planting layouts and methods are employed in various regions. Transplanting, insecticide, and fungicide spraying protect the onions. Regular watering, weeding, and soil analysis are essential until harvest. Thinning is conducted for proper plant growth. Direct seeding follows similar cultural practices. Following these steps ensures successful onion production. Onions are harvested when 80% of the leaves have fallen, which typically occurs within 85, 90 days after transplanting, or 120 days for direct seeding. At this stage, the onions are fully matured and ready for harvest. Farmers can sell the freshly harvested onions in the local market or opt to store them in an open-air dryer. If market prices are low, they may also choose to store the onions for later sale when prices improve. Proper harvesting and storage ensure that the onions can be effectively marketed and contribute to the success of the onion production process. During the onion harvest, modern machinery plays a crucial role in streamlining the process. The first step involves using an onion cutter, which efficiently cuts the roots and leaves of the onions, removing unnecessary parts and gathering the onions in one place. Next, the onions are fed to an onion gatherer, which peels and cuts them into smaller pieces. Subsequently, an onion peeler is employed to process the thinly sliced onion, separating the peel from the edible onion flesh. These advanced machines have revolutionized onion harvesting, making it faster and more efficient than traditional manual methods, while ensuring the preservation of the valuable edible part of the onion. Harvesting onions at the appropriate time is crucial. For green onions, you can start harvesting as soon as the bulbs start to fatten up. However, for long-term storage, wait until the leaves turn yellow or brown and the stems are dry and floppy. Curing is essential to prepare onions for extended storage. Lay the harvested onions on scrap building paper or newspapers in a cool, dry, and breezy area. Turn them regularly to ensure even drying. The process of storing onions has absolutely evolved over time, and modern cold storage methods have significantly reduced spoilage rates. Traditional methods of drying onions with their stalks on and storing them in cool cellars or caves were once common, but resulted in a high percentage of spoilage, which is not sustainable for our economy or the environment. With the advent of cold storage, onions are now dried for a few days before being gradually cooled down to temperatures between 0 and 2 degrees Celsius. This maturing stage allows for skin and color formation specific to each onion cultivar. Cold storage extends the shelf life of onions, and they can be stored for up to 10 months without spoilage. Ventilation is essential during onion storage, and they are not directly transported from cold storage to the market. Instead, they are carefully heated in temperature-controlled conditions to prevent condensation and spoilage. After being harvested, onions are swiftly transported to warehouses and processing factories to maintain product quality. At these facilities, a meticulous selection and quality check process is carried out to eliminate onions with issues such as spoilage, rot, insect infestation, or preservatives. The onions are then prepared for processing by cutting off roots and leaves, followed by washing and slicing into petal-shaped pieces or slices. Different methods are employed to process the onions, including salting, filtering, boiling, or steaming, which help reduce spiciness and enhance sweetness. Once processed, the onions are carefully packaged in suitable materials, usually plastic bags or cardboard boxes, to preserve their freshness. Onions are rich in nutritional value and offer numerous health benefits for the human body. They are a significant source of fiber and vitamin C, which improve the digestive and immune systems and strengthen immunity. Moreover, the antioxidants present in onions help prevent cell aging and reduce the risk of cancer-related diseases. Onions also contribute to lowering blood pressure, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke. Their pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties aid in treating joint and urinary tract inflammation. Additionally, the organic compounds in onions exhibit antibacterial and antifungal effects, contributing to the prevention of infectious diseases. Today, the onion holds a unique position as the oldest and most widely used vegetable, cultivated in diverse soils worldwide. Its distinctive aroma makes it an irreplaceable ingredient in meals, contributing to its significant economic impact, with global onion production reaching almost 100 million tons annually. While Asia has the highest production area and quantity, it does not dominate the global onion market due to challenges such as high population density, limited storage spaces, and difficulty accessing foreign markets. Many countries aim to increase their production for domestic consumption, while also selling surplus onions on the global market to boost economic growth. Yellow onions are in high demand in developed countries, presenting a significant market opportunity for new investors. However, nearly 90% of onions are consumed within the country they are grown, resulting in onions being less prominent in many parts of the world, despite their widespread use in various cuisines and dishes. And there you have it, the fascinating world of onion harvesting and agriculture technology. We hope you enjoyed this eye-opening journey and the incredible story behind one of the most beloved and versatile vegetables on the planet. From ancient origins to modern-day marvels, the onion's legacy continues to thrive, enriching our palates and nourishing our bodies. So next time you sprinkle those savory onion rings on your burger or savor the sweet aroma of caramelized onions, remember the wealth of health benefits they bring along for the ride. We're thrilled to have shared this captivating adventure with you, and we promise more exciting and informative content ahead. So, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay tuned for more agriculture wonders and amazing discoveries. Until next time, happy farming and bon appetit!